We're out here in Cullington today, and homeowner had to have a new cable line installed to his house, and he had some concerns that they might have damaged his irrigation system, the lines of how they put it in. So it looks like they run it right through here, went on up that way right through the gate right there. We were just out here a couple months ago, and we had put some new heads in, and we had the flags are still on the head where you can see them, so they kind of knew that there was irrigation out here. But we'll see what they did and get her fired up and see if they hit anything. So this system had already been winterized. We had done that last month, and see here we have a box right here. So they came right through here with a trencher or a plow of some sort. Get on the other side of this gate and see they just went right through the middle of the yard. I'm just gonna pull this rope up. No, I'm not. We'll walk around the other side. All right, back on the other side of this gate. We'll just follow the line on out. Walk here. Get on that side of the gate. This one's open. We'll get her de-winterized and pumped up and see if they did any damage. All right, just got done checking that out. We didn't find no problems. Went ahead and winterized it up. He's good to go. Got anything to say?
No.
All right, we're out.